how to audit your Amazon PPC account and find every leak in under 15 minutes to find the profit leak as we did with this account. So as you can see, this account doubled the sales with minus 46% ACoS, because in this account we had this problem and we solved it in this way. And we show you in this video all the steps that we do to solve these issues based on our case studies. And this account, for example, reduced spend wasted of thousands. But imagine if you solve this issue long term for years, you remove hidden cost for thousand and thousand and thousand every years, money that goes straight to Amazon for nothing, not to you as a profit. I'm going to walk you through the exact checks and questions and steps that we do to check the possibilities that your account has with Amazon PPC. And trust me, most of the time, 95% of the time, we find something to solve that we can solve quickly and fast that can make a lot more profit for the Amazon owner. And this is a check that takes 15 minutes, even less sometimes. And I will walk you through all the steps here. So, and there is also the final check. The final point is one of the most ignored steps. It's one step that can double the profitability in 24 hours of work or running your Amazon store, because it's so effective and is one of the first steps that we suggest you to do. It's at the end because I want you to walk you through all the process. Yeah, so for example, we start from here. There is a 3 main section to check your Amazon PPC situation, understand quickly if you can improve and what to improve. Is the core KPIs. It's about the ACoS and TACoS, the relationship between the two, the ACoS at account level, campaign level, and targeting level, right? A search term level also. If it's possible, if you use software, you can do it. If you don't use software, you cannot do it. The targeting mix, so see if you have automatic running, manual campaigns, keywords targeting, ASIN targeting, video ads, sponsor brand spotlight, sponsor display, and also the cross-selling and upselling kind of strategies. So this is the targeting mix that need to be fixed and that we can check, and we need to check in this kind of audits. And then the ad placement. So the ad placement I written here is about spotlight and display. It's sort of a placement, but by placement I talk about the main 3 placement that everyone knows. And if you don't know it, book a call with us so that we can talk about this. It's about top of search, rest of search, product placement, and then also the business placement and the audiences placement. That is something that a lot of sellers don't use and is very important. And also the way that you optimize of this system, because this is a structure. You need to have the structure in place. If you don't have this structure in place, it's already a big problem. Also, you need to learn how to optimize, because every time you change one element of this, everything changes. So you need to find an efficient way to do it. Also the setup. So one of the checks that we do is about checking that you have the tools to analyze everything. Of course, you have the advertisement console. You need to use it to analyze your situation and the search term report. We suggest some tools to do that, to analyze that. If you don't know the difference between search terms and targets, that's another problem that we check in this audit. So if we would be doing this audit together, from how we talk, I understand exactly what is the issue. If you talk about search terms instead of targeting, I already know that there is a bigger problem with how you do your ads. So I also keep in mind that the order matters, as I write it here. Everything is in order for one specific reason. I cannot explain you why, because we don't have time, but based on our 9 years of experience, 600 campaigns managed, the fastest way to do this work is following this order. So the targeting strategy check is one of the starting point. Automatic with manual. Are you running automatic? Are you running manual? Are you relying too much on automatic? How are you using automatic? That's a big issue we need to check. And with this question, we clarify this topic. There is in targeting problem. We need to check if you're doing it, how you are doing it. The video ads problem. So Do you use a video ad strategy for Amazon? Are you doing it correctly or not? I write it here 2024, actually it's 2026. It is a typo. Yeah, optimization hierarchy. Also, there is an upselling and cross-selling opportunity that is most of the time missing. And this is something that from this audit, we ask you exactly this topic. What kind of upselling or cross-selling are you doing? If you say, I don't know, that's a problem. Why? You need to do this kind of stuff. So this is product the placement optimization, and it's something that I already told you about. It is a real problem that we check in this audit. If you do this audit by yourself, you need to check it too. So are you using sponsored brands accordingly? Are you using Spotlight collection display? How are you tracking all the metrics? Is a question you need to ask yourself because it's very important. Do you know the answer? Great. What is the answer? If you don't know the answer, it is a problem. In the audit, we find this problem. I know already what this issue is causing, why it's important. ACoS and ACoS, what is the relationship? A lot of the time I do the audit and they ask, they don't know the relationship between the ACoS and ACoS. They don't know the ACoS at the ACoS and the ACoS metrics at account level, marketplace level, product level, and target level. Is an issue, right? Also, each keyword needs to have a specific ACoS. What is the ACoS? Is an issue. If you don't know it, that's a problem. How to use the ACoS and TACoS. Using PPC audiences and business placement. Are you doing it? Yes. What is the percentage that you're using? With simple questions, we can understand very quickly what is the issue. Are the Amazon customer journeys optimized? If I ask you this question and you ask yourself this question, you don't know what are the Amazon customer journeys, how to optimize it, that's a problem. So you can check my account, my YouTube channel. You can study the videos there. You can subscribe and watch all our videos. But with this kind of audit, we know there is a problem here. We have some additional questions specifically for what kind of part of the Amazon journey needs to be fixed. And this is the same thing you should do by yourself. Understand exactly the Amazon journey, understand exactly what is the bottleneck and fix it, right? Did the master Amazon. So this is another problem. So in the audit, a lot of time we ask this question, are you sure you know exactly the keyword analysis that you need to do for Amazon? Yes and no. A lot of people say yes. And the people that say yes, most of them don't do it correctly. I can guarantee you, because it's some of the best work that we do is regarding this topic. So if you do this audit by yourself, double check that you mastered Amazon keyword analysis, that you are 100% sure about that. You can do more research on our videos, but also you can book a free analysis with me to learn about this topic, right? Can they be the best seller based on lifetime value? This is another big topic because the most successful stores that I see have the best lifetime value and they beat competition by lifetime value, right? You know what's the lifetime value? What is your lifetime value? How do you check it? How can you improve it? What is the lifetime value relationship with the cost per acquisition? Is an issue. We ask this question already. We know there is an issue based on this answer. So as you can see, the first thing you see, the audit, yes, we can go very deep in details because we run Amazon ads in details. But we start from macro questions to understand exactly what is the big issue, and then we go deeper to the smaller issues. Use negative search terms. Yeah, do you know the difference between search term and targets? So this is what you need to do. You need to ask yourself, do I know what is a search term? Do I know what is the difference with the targeting? Search term compared to the targeting? How do I use negative search terms? And then also, what software are you using? You need to ask yourself this question. Check on the web all the software that are available, find the best one for you, and also use the AI tools that are available right now. You can do it by yourself. If you do the audit with us, we find it very quickly the issue for you here, and we tell you exactly what is the tool that you need to install. And it is an important topic, the difference between targeting and search terms. Most important, get quick results. Do they do search term cleanup? So this is a very important question. Are they cleaning up the search terms on aggregated data basis? Yes, great. No, there is a problem. Are they doing? Yes. Are they doing it well? So this is a question you need to ask yourself. And this is the last step that I told you that brings the best results. It's about the search term report cleanup. So finding the money leak in ads and filtering it by spend. I wrote it X and order 0 because it really depends. We also check a relationship between clicks and orders, minimum 15, but usually we go higher. And also based on intellectual relevancy, is very important process. You negate this, you can do it in few hours, this process already. And in 24 hours, you have already better ads. So this is a secret process that we use, and I suggest you to implement it if you want to get results fast. So for example, sellers where they negate 46 search terms in 10 minutes and already cut the wasted by thousands and thousands per month. Okay. And I want to say this. So we do a lot of audits. We did, I don't know how many, we did hundreds and hundreds of audits, thousands maybe. I'm not sure. 95% of sellers fail to some of these steps. Most of them fail in a lot of stuff. And these are the metrics that we get. Most of sellers that we work with, we double revenue in our collaboration, and we reduce ad spend by 40 to 50%. The ACoS is reduced by 40 to 50%. So they pretty much spend the same with double sales. Keep in mind also another thing that we got much better results, like triple profitability in 30 days, 5 times sales in 2 months. So, but are you ready to plug the leaks? You can do it by yourself. Watch this video multiple times. Watch all my video on YouTube. There's a lot of free content that I'm giving you for free, and this I don't see all this value for free online often, so you can study it for free. But if you want to get the results fast, if you have an Amazon store and you sell enough for a service as an agency or coaching service, get our free audit strategy. You get the audit for free, and then in the audit we do all the work together, and it will be amazing for you. Most of people that get the audit, they want to know more about our services. Most of them, like I would say like 85% of them are so happy about the analysis that they want to get our service. So that's all. So see you in the next video.